Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to do underwater muffle audio in your Premiere Pro. Well, it's very easy to do it. So first of all, you have to select your audio, right? So this is my audio here. And once you select your audio, just go to the effects control, which is you can just find it in your Windows menu bar. And if there's a tick mark, then it will be available in your screen. So here, once you're here on the search bar, you have to just type para, and here you will find a parametric equalizer. So make sure you just click and hold and drag it to the audio clip which you have selected, right? So make sure it should be audio clip, right? And once you have drag it to your audio clip, now go to the effect control. And once you go to the effect control, there will be option of edit, right? As you can see here. So once I go to the edit, here you will find this box open up. Now go to here preset, and here you have to select generic low pass. Right, so once you are here, you have to do an experiment with this. So basically, if you want a perfect or similar sound which is muffled in a water, so just make sure you are in the -30 and somewhere between 2K, right? So make sure here, by the way, you can experiment it by yourself. You can just take it here and you can just play it from here, right? And you can just experiment with it wherever it fit or suits better, you can just apply it up, right? So this is a only way to do it. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe.